Oy, kumusta mga kabayan? Tingnan natin tong model dito sa likod, model Juniper from Pulte Homes. Nandito tayo sa Quinn Canyon Community, Quinn, Quinn Canyon dito sa Southwest Las Vegas. Okay nga Ales, titingnan natin sa loob. Ay, kumusta mga kabayan? Mga amigo at saka kaibigan. Hello kabayan! Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito o isa ka sa mga bumabalik na manonood, welcome back! Ako si Merloni, isang Pinoy Realtor dito sa Las Vegas. Dito sa channel natin, iniikutan natin ang mga bagong bahay sa mga bagong komunidad mula sa mga sikat na builders dito sa Vegas at Henderson. Kung balak mong lumipat, magbenta o mag-invest sa bahay dito sa Las Vegas, panoorin mo ang mga videos ko and I hope makakatulong ito sa iyo. At kung gusto mong updated sa mga bagong tours at tips, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Tara, samahan mo ako sa tour natin ngayon. Mga kabayan, kumusta kayo dyan? Nandito tayo sa American West. Dito sa Quinn Canyon Community dito sa Southwest Las Vegas. Nandito na tayo sa Southern Highlands, yung tinatawag natin dito na lugar. Nandito tayo sa Quinn Canyon Community. Tapos may apat sila na model dito. Yung first model is yung Juniper model. Two-story siya, 2,325 square feet yung living space. 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, tapos 2-car garage. It starts at $547,990. Yung pangalawang model naman yung Pinion. 3-story siya, 2,690 square feet yung living space. 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bath, tapos 2-car garage. And it's priced from $592,000 and $990. Okay? Tapos yung pangatlong model naman is yung Palo Verde na model. 3-story rin siya, 3,074 square feet yung living space, 4 to 5 bedrooms, tapos 2.5 to 3.5 bath, tapos 2-car garage, and it's priced from $622,990. Tapos yung last, yung Mesquite, this is 2-story, 2,255 square feet yung living space, tapos 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bath, tapos 2-car garage. It's priced from $538,990. So ito yung apat na model dito sa Quinn Canyon ng American West dito sa Southwest Las Vegas or sa Southern Highlands. So let's watch the property tour. Tsaka kung may tanong kayo or may comment, just comment below, or much better kung if you could call or text me or email me, and I'll try to answer as soon as possible, mga kabayan. Sige, salamat. Tapos enjoy the tour. Hello mga kabayan, kumusta kayo dyan? Dito tayo sa Juniper model ng Quinn Canyon Community. Made by American West, built by American West or Pulte. They're nagko-combine na sila, but it's still named with the American West. So nandito tayo sa Southwest area. So kung makikita nyo, may mga plots dyan, pero yung gagawa ng bahay dito for Quinn Canyon is nasa likod ng building dito, ng mga models. So lalabas pa, but it's like a big area. Okay? So ito yung Juniper model. It's 2-story, may 2,325 square feet living space, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage, and it starts at $547,990. So yung garage nila dito sana, pero ginawa pang opisina. Okay, so yan ito. Tapos dyan yung front door. And yung petsa ngayon is June 12, 2025. In case para reference nyo sa prices and terms at saka yung availability, kasi baka natingnan nyo tong video to 2030 na. So baka wala nang bahay na available dito. So maganda rin yung lugar na dito, nakikita mo yung mga bukid and stuff. And there's lots of new construction dito sa southwest area. So sa Southern Highlands na tayo dito. Okay, and sa labas nila, okay na rin. Yung front landscape, kasama na yan sa builder pag bili mo. And then, dun sa likod, may bricks na wall. Tapos sa kabilang gilid, parking lot din dun. Pero kapag nagawa na yan, may gate dun na kasama. So again, this is the Juniper model. And then, depende sa elevation na pipiliin mo. Depende yun sa itsura sa harap, okay? Yung elevation, yung scheme, yung design. So, they've got this nice big door dito. Okay? Tapos parang malaking front porch, which is nice. So, pasok natin. It's a good one. Tapos, ito yung garage, pero ginawa muna nilang sales office. Okay, so pero ito yung garage dito, 2-car garage. Okay, tapos malaki yung hallway. And then immediately on the left side, ito yung bathroom, powder room. Okay, so buksan natin yung ilaw. So yan yung standard pedestal, sink, oval, mirror, tapos yung toilet na nandyan. Okay? So, dyan, tapos sa katapat nyan, ito na yung stairs papunta sa second floor. Okay? We'll go there after. Tapos, straight tayo dito. Next sa bathroom, may closet kaagad. Ito yung jacket na closet or kahit anong gusto nyong ilagay dyan sa kanila, nilagyan nila ng tubig or whatever. Pero storage din yan. Pero usually it's like for jackets and stuff. So dyan, as you can see, lahat ng mga models nila ay open concept. Okay? So yan yung living room, big windows, tapos nandyan yung dining room, tapos dito sa gilid, yung kitchen. Okay? So yung standard feature nila, sa kitchen, whirlpool, range, stainless steel, micro hood with a cabinet above sa microwave, and dishwasher, stainless steel, kasama na yan. And then yung counter nila is granite slab countertops. Yun yung standard, pero ito, it's quartz. So upgrade yan. Okay? Tapos may cabinetry sila, 36 inches, but I think some of them are 42, pero ito, I think it's 36. And standard sa kanila yung 9 feet ceiling. Okay, so 9 feet palagi yung ano nila, yung ceiling for American West dito sa Quinn Canyon. Tapos pre-plumb na yung ice maker, garbage disposal meron, and then malaki yung pantry storage nila. So you can see lots of storage there. Dito sa baba, pwede mo lagyan, you know, like your own storage. Pero maganda rin ganyan, you know, you can put your own thing. Tapos pwede mo lagyan ng 4 or 5 high chair dyan sa likod para dyan na kayo kumain. Then dito yung countertop is quartz nga, and then it's a combo stovetop tapos oven, and then the microwave, and then they have like the vent thing dito sa taas para kapag nagluluto ka ng buwad or daing or isda dyan, yun, may vent dito, and then it goes up right there, tapos lalabas yung usok sa labas. Okay? So yan, cabinet, and then dito sa dulo, ito yung pantry. Pantries na dito. Good size pantry. Okay? Dyan. Pretty deep. That's good. Tapos, meron pa dito sa gilid yung countertop. Tapos nasa gitna yung sink. So yung sink nila dito is yung single, parang industrial type stainless steel na sink. Maganda rin. You know, tapos malaki yung bintana. It's pretty good. And then dito sa gilid, yung dining room. You know, good size dining table nilagay na dito. And then may 6x8 sila na sliding door. Tapos dun sa family room, malaki rin yung bintana. You know, so maraming light yung papasok talaga. And they've got this good design. You know, may 80 inches TV and then a customized electric fireplace. Okay, tapos yan yung itsura sa labas, sa backyard. It's pretty good. Okay, so yan yung first floor. Okay, tapos aakyat tayo sa second floor. Remind ko lang kayo mga kababayan, mga amigo at amiga, kapag bibisita ng mga new builds, yung mas maganda na magsama kayo ng realtor nyo gaya ko, kasi mas maganda na may magre-represent sa inyo, you know, kasi yung mga salesperson dito sa builder, you know, they're representing the builder, so they want to make more profit. Pero kapag may nagre-represent sa iyo, like a realtor like me, we could negotiate and I'll help you whatever it is, para at least, you know, you could have like a fair negotiation dito. So kapag tawagan nyo muna ako, you know, before you visit, you know, call or text me and then I'll go with you from start to finish. Okay, so makyat na tayo dito. I think their standard railings are yung solid wall. Ito yung upgraded na yan. So we're gonna turn right. And then ito yung first bedroom natin makikita. Okay? So, parang ginawa nilang exhibit or something. You know, para sa anong nasa loob sa banyo. But this is the first bedroom. Okay? Tapos diretso tayo dito. Sa kanan rin, second bedroom. Okay, second bedroom. It's pretty nice. I think that's a queen bed. Yung bintana nakaharap sa kalye. Then may closet dito with a sliding door. Pretty nice. So dyan. Good size. Tapos paglabas natin, quick right, the next one, ito yung third bedroom. Okay, pretty much the same size sa kabila. Okay, it's a queen or full size bed. Yung window nakaharap sa kalye, sa street. Closet na may sliding door, pretty good size. Okay, good. Tapos paglabas natin, quick right, ito yung full bathroom sa second floor. Double sink, storage sa baba, wide mirror, salamin, and then toilet of course, and then yung combo tub with a shower. The combo. So you can see that there. Sabi yung shower. Yan sa taas. Okay. So ito yung full bath sa taas. Sa second floor. Okay. So dito uli yung hagdanan. So when you turn left galing sa hagdanan, yung storage dyan. And this is for the linen. Or mga kumot, mga unan, mga tuwalya, or whatever storage you wanna put in there, pwede nyo ilagay. Tapos yung katabi dyan, yung laundry. So yung laundry nandito, pretty good size. May shelving siya dyan sa taas. Okay. Tapos dito, usually sa laundry, nandyan yung cable management. You know, pwede mo ilagay yung mga router at saka modem mo dyan. Okay. Tapos on this side, may maliit na loft. You know, pwede itong entertainment room sa second floor, or may office, or game room, or playroom kung may mga chikiting ka. And their lights are LED na ito. And then the standard na sa kanila yung my fixture for the fan and lights. Standard na yan. Tapos ito yung jumper vent nila, yung hangin dyan lulusot dito sa kabila para free flow yung hangin room to room para maiwasan yung pag-slam ng mga pintuan ng mga door kapag nagba-vacuum yung air especially kapag nag-AC ka. So ito yung master bedroom nila. Okay? So this is the 4th room. Master bedroom. Big space. I think that's a California King or King bed. Malaki yung bintana. And then I think it's facing the backyard. Yung patio sila na nilagay. Okay. That's how big this is. Master bedroom. And then dyan yung hallway papuntang master bath. Okay. You go straight. Mirror dyan. Dito sa left, dito yung hers and hers closet. It's pretty nice. Okay rin yung lugar, you know. And then, of course dito, double sink. Storage sa baba. And then, malaking malapad na salamin. Tapos, beside that, yung walk-in shower. It's good. I think standard na yung marble na wall. And then, yung last dito, yung toilet sa master bath. That's good. It's a nice property. So, ito yung Juniper model. It's 2-story, 2,325 square feet, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and starts at 547,990. So mga kabayan, mga amigo at saka amiga, kung may mga tanong kayo or may comments, comment lang dito sa baba. Or you could text. Much better if you could text and call me sa number ko, or you could email me, and then I'll try to answer it as soon as practicable. So yun mga kabayan, kita-kita tayo ulit next time sa next property tour. And then, God bless. Magdasal palagi. At saka, ingat. Bye. Kung ito na ang hinahanap mong bahay, o gusto mo ng mas maliit, mas malaki, o nasa ibang lokasyon, kahit resale man yan, masaya akong tumulong sa'yo. Call, text, email, o mag-comment ka lang sa baba kung may tanong ka. Nandito lang ako, ready to help. At kung gusto mong updated sa mga bagong tours at tips, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat sa panonood.